Hello viewer, how to fix Reddit server error? Oops, we have encountered an error. Please try again later. Go back, open your phone setting, scroll down, go to apps, search Reddit. Now go to Reddit storage. From here, clear cache data. Go back and tap on Force Stop Reddit app. Now go back, go to Play Store or App Store, search Reddit app and please update your Reddit app. Go back, open your phone setting, open any browser and try Reddit app with any browser.